Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how you can animate text on Instagram story. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my Instagram, and first of all, I'm going to create an Instagram story. I'm going to click on story, and for example, I'm going to choose photo from my gallery. Wait, I'm just going to pick random photo. I'm gonna go with this one. Okay, and I'm going to add text to my story. I'm going to click on this icon and I'm just going to add food. Okay, and if you want to animate the text, we can tap on this icon and you can choose the animation you want to apply to your text. You can apply the typewriter, pop, or jump. And I'm gonna go with this pop animation. Once you're done, you can click on done. Okay, and now the animation has been added to my text. And once you're ready to share your story, you can click on your story and the story will be shared to your Instagram account. Alright guys, and that's all the way to animate text on Instagram story. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye!